This is a crossing pedestrian, and this Indian in this car, he has a problem with stopping at the crosswalk. Okay, listen, listen, stay away from, don't stay away from me. This is Canada. This is a crosswalk. This is a crosswalk. Okay, this is a crosswalk. This is a crosswalk. Okay. You have to obey the laws when you're in Canada, okay? When you come to Canada, you obey the laws. This is a crosswalk. This is not India. This is not India. This is Canada. When you come to Canada, don't bring your garbage with you. This is a crosswalk, okay? Obey the fucking law, okay? Obey the fucking law. This is Canada, okay? When you come to Canada, don't break the law. Okay?
Who broke the law? Me or you?
You broke the law. Okay?
As a pedestrian, you're responsible.
Okay? Listen. This is a crosswalk. Okay? Obey the laws. Okay? Obey the laws. Okay?
Hey, stop. If you're a man, go to outside.
Okay, this is property. This is a private property.
Slowing down.
Obey the laws.
This man runs down.
No.
And like, as a pedestrian, he needs to make sure he can't just run on the.
This is a crosswalk. You have to obey the laws.
What kind of a law is
this? This is a crosswalk. You must obey the laws. It doesn't matter. You are supposed to stop for pedestrians. You are supposed to stop for pedestrians. Okay? You're violating the law. Okay?
You want me to check the cameras?
Hey,
yeah?
Look, you're violating the law.
Listen, buddy,
you're in the middle of the crosswalk and you're holding up traffic. This is Canada.
Check the camera.
This is not India. This is not India. This is Canada. When you come to Canada, obey the fucking laws. Obey the laws. When you come to Canada, obey the laws. Okay? Okay? No. Look at his car. Look at his car. Look at his car. Okay? Look at that. Stop taking sides, man. Stop taking sides. You get in trouble. This guy broke the law.
How?
You broke the law. Okay?
You know what? Sue him. Go ahead.
You broke the law. I got your license plate. I got everything here. Okay? Okay? Alright? Okay? This.
You're safe, he's safe.
No. Okay. He broke the law.
You have to move.
Crosswalk.
You have to move.
Don't come to Canada. This is India. Okay? This is fucking Canada, man. This is not India. Okay? When you come to Canada, look, you're holding up all the traffic here. Okay? I got you. Indian.
Yes.
Listen, man. Listen.